Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Now, if you have been following my MidJourney deep dives, you know that we have spent way too many hours trying to remember random SREF codes. Like we were prepping for some secret AI exam. Well, good news, the exam is officially cancelled. Because in today's video, we are talking about the brand new Style Explorer feature that MidJourney has dropped. It's basically Pinterest meets AI wizardry. And honestly, it's about to make our creative lives a whole lot easier. So a quick refresher. Before Style Explorer, if you wanted to get a perfect vibe for say a origami inspired fashion illustration, you had to know the right SREF code and pray to the AI gods that it would actually work. Or spam --SREF random --repeat 3 just to see what popped out. Yay, it worked, but it also felt like fishing with a blindfold. Now, Style Explorer hands you a curated visual library of styles. No more guessing, no more endless note-taking, just scroll, click and create. Okay, actually let's jump inside. When you open this Explorer, you'll see 3 tabs: Styles, Images and Video. Inside Styles, you've got grids organized into random, your surprise box for new styles, Hot, basically the trending sounds of MidJourney, but for styles. Of the day, like what's blowing up right now. If you had to pick one, would you rather explore random chaos or just stick to what's trending? I'm 50-50, half scientist and half peace. When you click into a style, MidJourney shows you the SREF code, so you can use it the old school way. A grid of how the style works in scenic views, illustrations and even photography. And my favorite is the like button. Like Pinterest board, you can now save your favorite styles, so you never have to go hunting again. I typed in origami and boom, the grid was filled with styles of folded paper-like structures. Then I tried comic book and instantly there were bold retro vibe illustrations. I also wanted to explore fashion editorial. It also gave me beautiful style references that could turn your images or your imagination into beautiful editorials. I further explored textures, manipulations, embroidery, so on. Okay, so Style Explorer is fun, but let's talk about how to actually make it work for you. Hit the random button and randomize. MidJourney will keep on refreshing its style references to give you new style reference each time. If you like one, use Try Style. This button lets you test any style with your own go-to prompt. So you're always generating, say, a cup of coffee or a fashion model. You will instantly see how the style adapts it. Moving on, if you want to have fun, you can blend styles. Don't stop at one. You can combine styles by adding multiple SREF codes separated by spaces. Think origami and cyberpunk, or comic book merged with embroidery. Everything can be a total game changer. Also, you can decide which style reference needs to take control. So you can adjust the style weights. Want just a hint of origami texture? Keep it low. Want it full origami fashion week? Crank it up by adjusting the style weights. Actually, let me know which matchup would you like to test in the next video. Drop a dream combo, maybe steampunk watercolor or a knitted anime. I'll generate them for you and share. Here's the bigger picture. Style Explorer basically democratizes access to good styles. You don't need to be note hoarding MidJourney veteran anymore. A beginner can log in, browse trending styles and instantly get results that are polished. And for the pros, it's a playground. You can test, remix and save the styles faster than ever. And that means less time fiddling and more time creating. It's honestly a win-win. Newbies get guardrails, veterans get shortcuts. and everyone gets cool outputs. Alright, let's wrap it up with 3 quick takeaways. Stop memorizing SREF codes. Style Explorer is your new best friend. Use random, hot and top of the day to keep your creative flow fresh. Don't just pick a style, play with it. Try the button, mash them together, adjust weights. This is MidJourney turning style hunting into actual style exploring. So what do you think? Is this feature a lifesaver, or do you still prefer the old chaos of random SREF codes? Let me know below in the comments. And hey, if you found this video useful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more MidJourney deep dives, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep exploring and keep creating.